I was working a traditional prop firm in Prague. Strategy was working, but my trading manager wanted from me to deposit more trading capital into the account so I can generate more trading volume and more profits. I had my personal capital, but I don't want it to invest all that capital into the trading strategy and risk all of my money. Even if the strategy works, no trader should invest all his capital into the one trading strategy. You need to always have some backup. So I started looking for crypto prop firms. I knew about FTMO, I knew that they existed. It's one of the biggest forex prop firms. They are also based in Prague. And yeah, I found some crypto prop firms. They were offering crypto funding on MetaTrader, but I was like, okay, I'm not trading on MetaTrader, I trade directly on the exchange. So I also did some research. I checked that firm. I saw that they have some proof of reserves. All of that reserves were fake, some fake payouts. Basically, I didn't believe that firm they are doing legitimate business. I knew that I'm not able to trust that company and there were no other options. So you as a crypto trader, you have multiple options. If you have verifiable track record, then you can go to the traditional prop firm, you can work there, they can possibly provide you trading capital and you can trade with their capital. Or you can apply for retail prop trading challenge and trade up to 200k and basically utilize that simulated capital to earn payouts. When I was doing the research, I realized that crypto prop trading works in some way on MetaTrader, but they use just the crypto prop trading as a marketing funnel to get crypto traders, but they were not offering a good product for the crypto traders. As I said, crypto traders love to trade on exchanges. They don't love to trade on MetaTrader. I didn't want it to trade on MetaTrader for any cost. You know, I had some capital, I was doing well. I wanted to work and cooperate with the firm which I believed in. Before I worked in a prop firm, I owned trading platform where traders were able to deposit their own money and trade there. And before that, I was working on marketing agency with dozens of employees. And before that, I founded AI tool for social media, for automation. So I had already some experience with leading businesses, leading people, with trading, with marketing, with risk management. So I decided to launch HyroTrader, to create something different and create something better, what was on the market right now. So I started testing crypto exchanges. I tested maybe 80 exchanges. I tested demo accounts. I tested liquidity. I tested the trading pair. I tested basically everything. And from all of those exchanges, only one exchange was working well. And as you know, that exchange was Bybit. Bybit had working demo account with enough pairs. And that was enough for us to start. So basically I went to the office. At the time we had just 5 people in the office. We were still a small team and I sit with my colleague Romana and basically we started testing how it can possibly work. We created landing page with simple rules and some basic information, and this way we onboarded our first traders. Traders applied to our program and we created Bybit account and provided that account to them. They were trading on our account. So that was like, traders loved that, but it was not scalable business model, you know. After the start, there were no dashboard, no API with Bybit, basically nothing. We did everything manually. Clients traded on the accounts and my colleague Romana was checking how they trade, if they do not breach the daily drawdown or if they are adhering to all trading rules. So it was tough, you know, we need to do everything manually by ourselves. This was not scalable business model, but it was enough for us to prove that this model works. And as more traders joined, we knew that we need infrastructure, that we need something what we can scale. We need something, some platform so we can grow. So we contacted Bybit and basically they created API for demo trading. And together with our 2 developers, we had just 2 developers at the start. We sit down and basically we started thinking how we can do that, how we can connect the Bybit API with our platform, how the dashboard should look, how the dashboard should work, how the rules should be automated. So the system would be automated. Our developers, like me with developers, we worked day and nights on this. It was really difficult because something like this was not done before. We were basically the first firm doing this, and we were creating the business model from scratch. Other prop firms were using MetaTrader and CTrader and Forex trading platforms, so this was something new. We were basically connecting independent third-party exchange into the prop firm. This was not done before, and we were the first firm who did this. After maybe 2 or 3 months of hard work, we launched our first beta dashboard. It was more automated. Basically, if the traders breached the challenge would be automatically failed. Traders were able to see some basic statistics in the dashboard, trading days, daily drawdown, and all of those basic statistics. Traders really loved that. You know, many, as I mentioned on the start, that we had one competition, that shady competition, and then all of those traders from that competition came to us because we had something different, we had something new, and it worked, and traders really loved that. Like, people were coming to our community and like talking to us that, yo, you really have Bybit as a platform, how you did that? And they were like, I was like, okay, we did something revolutionary. And from that time, everything grew so fast. Basically, we grew maybe 30% over month. Over 2 years, we onboarded more than 30,000 traders into our platform, and we funded more than 1,400 traders. But important is that we did this without any external capital, without any investors. We did by ourselves, and with our amazing team, and with our amazing traders, which believed in us from the start. We didn't even run the big ads campaigns or influencer. The product was really unique, and traders loved that. So we onboarded traders, and those traders mentioned to their friends and to other traders, and we basically grew without influencers, without any hard marketing campaigns, just on network effect. And after all of this 2 years success and progress, we get our first offer basically to sell HyroTrader completely. They don't want it to help us, they don't want it to work with us, to help us to build and help us with our vision. They just wanted to buy us, use our clients, use our traders, and basically that's it. 1 month or 2 months before the offer, our competitor in the US was acquired by one of the biggest US exchanges. Basically, they bought them all. They bought our competitor, and now they are using the competitor as the funnel to the exchange. So basically, our competitor sold all of the traders to one big corporation. Like, I was not convinced that this is a good decision. We started HyroTrader with vision that we want to create something unique, something which will change the industry forever. And this was for me like, okay, we got nice offer to basically exit the company, but you know, I love the product, I love the team, I love the working on a HyroTrader, and I know that we are still at the beginning. You know, crypto industry as a whole is new. We basically started that 2-3 years ago, and it's just the beginning. But I will talk more about this in the next video. So after we proved that this business model works, we created something unique, and then first copycats started appearing on the market. Basically, we found that some companies just copied our text on websites, copied everything from our websites, and offered like 50% discounts to the traders to join, and basically started doing aggressive marketing on that and trying to get rich quick out of our business model. Some of them successfully scammed thousands of traders. You know, for traders, for retail traders, is very hard to know which firm is legit and which firm is not legit, because traders see challenge for $20 and he thinks he will get some payout, and in the end they will just lose money, because most of those firms earn money when traders loses money, and they are interested just in the evaluation fees. You know, they will try to convince you that you will get 50% discount, that you will get one challenge for free, or you will get something special, or you don't need to have any trading days, you don't need to even adhere to any rules. You know, just give us money and you can get funded. Simple as that, right? But that's the real problem within this industry, that for now there is just a few of the companies, but I know that in few years, in 5-6 years, there will be hundreds of those firms. So basically that's why we decided to move crypto prop trading to another level, to set some new level. I don't think this industry needs more crypto prop firms, I think this industry needs more transparency. And that's why we decided to take crypto prop trading to the new level. We are basically starting working on first decentralized crypto prop firm. That means everything will be transparent on the blockchain. Payouts, trading challenges, fail challenges, all traders, funded traders, basically, you will be able to see everything on the chain. I think industry don't need many new firms. It just need more transparency. Other prop firms will be able to use that protocol as well. So other prop firms will be able to create prop trading challenge verifiable on chain. So it means new prop firms will pop up on the market, but those new prop firms will be verified on the chain, which is better for the traders and maybe worse for the scam prop firms. Because, you know, as a trader, you need the firm you can believe in, and you should believe as a trader only to the verifiable data. So as I said, I know that in next 5-6 years there will be on the market hundreds of crypto prop firms. But those firms will be able to use Hyro protocol. They will be able to verify all of the data on the chain, and it will help the industry grow. Traders will be able to create and connect multiple trading exchanges into that protocol, so it will be good for traders and good for the legitimate firms. So our goal within the HyroTrader is in 2026 launch at least 3 or 4 new crypto exchanges. That means you will be able to connect multiple crypto exchanges into our ecosystem. So this will help the traders because they will be able to choose which exchange they want to use. And also, with launch of Hyro protocol, we are launching the governance, and we will be probably launching in the future our token. And that means our traders, which believed in us from the start, will gain from that. Our traders will be able to vote on proposals, and they will be able to influence the trajectory of the company. So if you want to be part of HyroTrader, join our community on Discord. I will put the link in the description, and test our free trial, provide us any feedback. You can always reach out to me personally. I will also put in the description my social media account. You can reach out to me also in our Discord community. So I'm always happy to talk with any trader about anything. So I'm here for you, and if you want to help us to build future of the prop trading, if you are a trader or developer, or you are working in marketing, or you are an influencer and you believe in this vision that crypto prop trading should be transparent on the chain and prop firms should use third-party crypto exchanges, then feel free to reach out to me. I am always open to discuss any collaboration. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.